Hey guys, so I am about to go to our local paint store and to buy the paint so that we can start painting the sunroom. I am so excited for this to officially take place and get started. Just so excited. And then we're gonna start painting, and I'm hoping, I am crossing my fingers that the paint store has the spray paint that I need. I'm so hopeful that the paint store will come through with the spray paint, because I've tried 2 other places and they've been out of stock. So I'm trying to get a specific one. I'm looking for the Rust-Oleum Pure Gold because I've researched online what's going to give me the best like faux brass finish, and that has been a top contender. All right guys, I'm so excited because I am going to be officially starting the makeover of our sunroom. We have this awesome sunroom in our house and I love it. We have a inflatable hot tub, which is amazing. And we definitely use this space, but I feel like we don't use it as much as we could. So one of the things we did was we added this couch in here. And as you can see though, and we added these tables, I kind of placed a few pieces of furniture. I'm debating on whether or not I want to spray paint these lamp bases. We'll have to see once everything's in place. I do have a rug for the floor, and then over here is our hot tub. Nothing's gonna change there. And then in this space over here, which is kind of a hot mess right now, as you can see, we are creating this little breakfast nook area. So again, we have kind of placed the furniture in here. I'm keeping the tablecloth. I kind of played around with a few things, but you know, still need to paint. And obviously this is a disaster. It's just been a dumping zone for other projects, and we need to get that cleaned up. We have some patio cushions. You can see the floor. So my first step in this makeover is definitely going to be cleaning this room up. The other thing over here is we have this kind of coat and shoe rack. I got a crazy good deal on Amazon, but with the color scheme I'm going in here, the black is not going to work with that. So I'm going to be spray painting it a gold color in hopes that it kind of gives off like a faux brass feel. So that's going to be an awesome transformation. And I'm just really excited. This room is just full of windows. It gets so much sunlight. Today's kind of a dreary day, but I'm ready to get started. Got to get rid of this old rug. As you can see, I've already kind of played around with some stuff. Here is the area rug for in here. And then we also got an outdoor rug for outside for our patio area, you can see. So yeah, I'm really excited to get started on this makeover. So the first thing you're going to see me doing here, as I mentioned before, was just cleaning up this space, tidying everything up, getting everything in its proper place in our house so that I could start the deep cleaning process. Actually, my husband did quite a bit of deep cleaning for me. He was an awesome help. But being that it's a sunroom, I would imagine you wouldn't be surprised at the amount of spider webs and things that can just accumulate in here, even keeping up on it. So that's what you're seeing me do here, is just vacuuming these like spider webs and cobwebs. Side note, if you are looking for a cordless vacuum, get it. Just do it. We have a Dyson and it's a game changer. You saw my daughter joining. She always likes to check in to see what I'm doing. And then after I got everything vacuumed, it was time to start painting. So this is obviously another day, and we went ahead and started painting all the beadboard. We went ahead and went with the Benjamin Moore, I believe it's White Dove. It's either Dove White or White Dove. I always can never remember which order they go in, but we actually bought it from Sherwin-Williams. If you didn't know this, they can pretty much mix any color from other brands. They can just match it. So that's what you'll see me doing here. It was a lot of work to paint the beadboard because you pretty much have to do most of it with a brush, just because of all the little crevices. So, it was a lot. So my husband and I, it took us a couple days to get this done, just in little sections here and there when kids were napping and that sort of thing.
Lately, I've been lying to myself. No, I need to get some help. Hoping you could save me, baby. Put put our pictures on the shelf. Swore I'm over you, oh well, it's not that easy. Waking up in this place all alone, staying up night and day on the phone. I need me to be whole again. Thought you were the piece missing from left. You're not the one, no, no. You're not the one, no, no, no. I'm moving on, admitting we're done. That's what you got me thinking lately. What you got me thinking. What you got me thinking. What you got me thinking lately.
So once we got the whole room painted, I went ahead and started working on my spray paint projects. So I realized I never checked back in with you guys. The paint store ended up not having the spray paint I wanted, which was a huge bummer. But so I ended up just ordering it online and was able to get it that way. So it worked out, and I went ahead and spray painted this coat rack. So I used 4 cans of spray paint, and that worked for this coat rack. It worked for the 2 handles for my cabinet, and then I ended up spray painting these wall sconces that I got to put in here to do the magic light trick, which I'll show you guys soon. And four cans of spray paint worked for all of that. So I thought that was great, and I am really happy with how everything turned out with my spray painting projects. If you are looking to spray paint handles or dresser knobs or anything like that, I highly recommend putting them into a box like you see me here. It made it so much easier to spray paint and way less of a mess. So that's just an extra tip for you.
Lately, I've been trying to fix the mess, get myself up out of bed, but I'm feeling empty. Maybe I need to try something else, get you out of my head. You can't save me. Waking up in this place all alone, staying up night and day on the phone. You're not the one.
Now we're going to move on to starting to decorate the space. I was very happy with how my spray paint projects turned out, and now it's time to do probably my favorite part of redoing any room, or even after I finish a DIY project, is styling it, adding the decor, putting everything together. So I wanted to add a lot of greenery in this room, being that it's so bright and sunny and all the windows and the light and airy vibes in here. I just thought a lot of greenery would be great. I am mainly a faux plant lady. I am starting to dabble in working with real plants and having flowers on my front porch, and I am enjoying it, but I'm not fully at the point where I feel like I could take care of a lot of houseplants. So the things you see in here are going to be faux plants, which is totally okay. The quality of faux plants has come a long way. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and get everything decorated and start putting things in place and playing around, working with floral arrangements. I wanted to add some lemons and some pops of yellow in here. As you watch, you'll see my husband through the windows in our backyard working on setting up our pool. And I'm in here just trying to get everything decorated and ready so we can just enjoy and embrace this room.
You're not the one, no, no. You're not the one, no, no, no. I'm moving on, admitting we're done. That's what you got me thinking lately. It's been harder for me now. It's been harder for me now. It's It's been harder for me now. It's been harder for me now. But I'll get through it somehow. 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 You're not the one. No, no. You're not the one. No, no, no. I'm moving on. Admitting we're done. That's what you got me thinking lately. You're not the one. No, no. You're not the one. No, no, no. I'm moving on. Admitting we're done. That's what you got me thinking lately. Lately. What you got me thinking. 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 What you got me thinking.
I just want to say thank you for watching this video. If you are new, welcome. Thank you for stopping by my channel. If you love all things home decor and DIYs and just all the inspo to make your home cozy and just feel warm and welcoming, then you will enjoy this channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, definitely hit that subscribe button so you can be a part of the community here at Alyssa Jo Home. And to my current subscribers, thank you so much. Your support means so much to me, and I love making these videos. I love helping to inspire you to create a wonderfully cozy and welcoming home for you and your family to thrive and live in, and to welcome your friends and guests so that they may also enjoy in your cozy home. So thank you guys, and I hope you are enjoying this sunroom makeover. The final DIY project that I worked on for this room were these magic light sconces. I will go ahead and link in the description box below to the Nesting with Grace blog. This is where I got this idea, and she has wonderful ways on how to execute this and attach your puck lights to the sconces. And that is it, guys. This is the final reveal, and I am so happy with how it has turned out. We have thoroughly enjoyed entertaining in this room already, and just, it's a great room to have a cup of coffee in, and I'm so excited to just spend more time in this room and actually be able to utilize this space. I envision myself coming in here in the mornings and reading a book or doing my devotional while I have a cup of coffee. I love that I can hear the outside. I can feel like I'm outside, even if maybe the weather isn't really great for being outside. It's a beautiful place to sit in a rainstorm, and also just to enjoy a bright sunny day. So thank you again for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Wait, we don't have to start the